You're not failing at manifestation. You're doing it perfectly. That's the problem. Because everything in your life right now is the exact result of what you've been consistently being.
You've tried everything. Affirmations, visualizations, scripting your dream life like it's already yours. For a few days, it feels real. You feel powerful, aligned, certain. Then something happens. Doubt creeps in. You check your reality, and nothing has changed. Same room, same bank account, same version of you staring back in the mirror. And in that moment, you don't say it out loud, but you feel it. Why is this not working for me? You start questioning yourself. Maybe you're doing it wrong. Maybe you're not high vibration enough. Maybe manifestation just doesn't work for you.
But here's the truth no one tells you. Manifestation is not about what you do. It's about what your brain believes is real. And your brain doesn't care about your words. It responds to patterns. There's something called neural pathways. Every thought you repeat, every emotion you rehearse, literally wires your brain to expect that reality. So when you say, "I am abundant," but your body feels lack, your brain listens to the feeling, not the words.
Imagine this. You're standing in a dark room. In front of you, a mirror. But this mirror doesn't show your face. It shows your identity. Every belief you've repeated. Every story you've accepted. I'm not lucky. I always struggle. Nothing works out for me. And the more you stare at it, the more solid it becomes. Now imagine you try to change your life without changing the mirror. You're just fighting a reflection.
Here's the science, simplified. Your brain has a system called the Reticular Activating System. Its job is simple. Filter reality based on what you believe is important and true. That's why, when you think you're broke, you notice every reason you're broke. When you think you're overlooked, you see proof everywhere. Not because it's the only reality, but because your brain is filtering for it. So manifestation isn't about attracting something new. It's about changing what your brain is allowed to see.
And this is where most people fail. They try to change their life, but nothing is changing. They repeat affirmations, but live from the same self. They visualize success, but wake up as the same person who doubts it. Pause. You don't manifest what you want. You manifest what feels familiar. Let that sink in. Familiar, not desired. There's a moment where everything shifts. Not outside, but inside. You stop chasing outcomes, and you start questioning, Who am I being every single day? Because the version of you who has what you want doesn't beg for it. They don't doubt it. They don't try to believe. They move differently, think differently, expect differently. Your brain learns through repetition and emotion. That's it. So if you want to change your reality, you don't need more techniques. You need consistency in thought, consistency in feeling, consistency in identity, even when nothing outside changes. Especially then, because here's the uncomfortable truth. The old you will fight back. It will whisper, "This isn't real. You're just pretending. Go back to what you know." And most people listen. They return to the familiar and call it reality. But you're not here to stay the same. You're here to realize something powerful. Your life is not controlled by circumstance. It's controlled by identity. And identity is something you can choose. Right now. Not when it shows up. Not when you feel ready. Now. So instead of asking, "Where is it?" ask, "Who am I being without it?" Because the moment your inner world shifts, your brain starts filtering differently. You notice new opportunities. You respond differently. You become available to a new reality. So don't go back to your old self after this. Don't close this video and return to the same identity. Pause. Decide. Not what you want, but who you are now. Because the version of you who has everything you desire is not waiting in the future. They're waiting for you to become them. And once you do, there is no manifestation anymore. There is only reality.